Hello, thank you for tuning into the Creative Council. My name is Natasha, and today we're going to be discussing the topic of different color snakes in a dream. So I've done a couple of videos on snakes, so I wanted to give you, so you don't have to go through all the colors. I'll just give it to you all in this video, the different colors and meanings when it comes to snakes. So just overall, snakes are going to be a representation in general of bitterness, of, well, mainly lies and deception, but it could be bitterness, unforgiveness, sin, things of that nature. So let's get into the colors. So what if you see a pink snake? Well, pink is a representation of childishness, selfishness, someone or something that's very petty on the negative side. And usually when you're dreaming of a snake, it's not going to be a good thing. So these are all really going to be negative because snakes are not really good in dreams at all. So almost 99% of the time. Anyhow, so that's usually pink. Pink, like I said, childishness, selfishness, pettiness, things of that nature. What about brown? So brown is a representation of compromise, humanism, carnality, and just carnalness, and it's lies or deception tied to that specific attribute, those attributes or whatnot, because like I said, snakes represent lies and deception. So it's compromise, deception, humanism, those kind of things mixed together when you're seeing a brown snake. What about a black snake? So black is going to represent, on the negative side, sin, sinful nature, death even. If it's trying to bite, the black snake trying to bite you, think about the colors of the cobra. That is a type of snake that's biting with intent to kill. So with a deadly intent. So think about that. Now, what if it's a blue snake? Blue is a representation of either, it could be a representation of ungodly grief, despair, sorrow, depression, anxiety. So what kind of snake is it? If it's a snake, let's say someone had a dream about a snake when they were sleeping and it came and it was on their neck, choking them. Well, that's trying to cut off your airway, right? So you can't breathe. So if it's, ungodly grief or despair or depression trying to, take you out, basically, that's tied to certain lies or even mindsets and ways of thinking that you have believed that have led to deception to give that thing power in your life to that capacity. So you want to break agreement with those lies. That's the Lord to reveal those to you so you can come out of agreement with it and deal with it from a spiritual perspective. What about the color gray? Gray is going to be a representation on the negative side of weakness and confusion. So something, lies tied, deceptions tied, ungodly mindsets tied to confusion and deception or weakness. So what about gold? Gold is going to represent, on the negative side, a gold snake would be defilement. Mainly, a lot of times it's going to represent idolatry though. So idolatry and worship, some type of worship and adultery of the heart or greed, because your heart is going against God for whatever it is you're desiring or whatever it is that has deceived you and taken that position in your heart. So if it's a gold snake, that's an issue of idolatry, adultery towards from God towards something. What about green? Green is envy, jealousy, pride. And if it's a snake, like a green tree snake or whatnot. Tree snakes, I did a video on types of snakes, but tree snakes is in a tree. Trees represent leaders, so that's leadership. So envy is green, jealousy, pride tied to leadership specifically. Now, if it's not in a tree, if it's like in your bed or on your property, then it's specifically going to be something that is you've allowed to allow that into your life, and you want to deal with it specifically because if you're dealing with envy and greed, it's always going to be connected to some kind of murder, because envy and greed, you can't have it without murder, because it's a heart condition, really. So you really want to deal with that. Now, what if it's orange? Orange is going to represent stubbornness, a strong-willed or prideful person, or maybe an intellectual, something along that line. What about purple? A purple snake. It's going to be a representation of authority, false authority, or demanding authority. So that's usually kind of like a narcissistic personality or person, or lies tied to a narcissistic personality or person that is trying to come against you. And like I said, always pay attention to what type of snake, what is it doing, and that will give you ammo and tools on how to combat and to dismantle that thing in your life. What if it's red? Red is going to be a representation of anger, rage, war. So it could be lies and just lies that you're believing that is causing you to react or respond in rage, because you're believing these lies. And that's just really what anger is unmanaged hurt. And I don't mean to say that this sound, not to be insensitive, but it's a secondary emotion. So if you're dealing with a snake in the dream and it's red, it could be a representation of anger. Now, with that one, though, it could also, depending on what part of the country or not country, but area of the world you're in, red dragon, right? Red snake is kind of like in China, the red dragon, the red snake, or a serpent, or whatever. It could be a cultural reference or indication as well. If these different things or element is found in culture, different cultures, then it could allude to that also. Because in different cultures, snakes also could mean different things. But typically, biblically speaking, these are what they mean. Okay, so what about white? White is going to be a religious spirit. So it's a false sense of holiness and purity. It's a religious spirit. Like Jesus said, whitewashed tombs were the Pharisees. So it's a spirit, a snake, a deception, a lie, way of thinking tied to a religious spirit. What about yellow? Yellow is going to be a representation of intellectual pride tied to deception. So, and that could be a big one, especially in this day and age with all the misinformation and disinformation and people thinking they're right, so it could be a stronghold. Really, if it's yellow, a yellow snake in the, in a dream, that's intellectual pride. So that's a stronghold because it's a way you think and you're solidified in that way. Because if you're prideful, that means you think you're right, and it's hard for someone to change your mind on that issue or whatever it is because you have been deceived. So when it comes to a snake, so if it's a yellow snake, maybe you're charming it or whatever, I don't know, depending on what's happening. If it's, something that you see you're trying to come against, then obviously that's something God is wanting to deliver you from. So, and that will come via humility. So what about a silver snake? Well, silver is going to be a representation of legalism. And it's almost like a religious spirit, but it's legalistic. Really, that objective of a legalistic spirit is to really choke out the Holy Spirit. And the spirit of life is to choke out the movement of God. Excuse me. So if it's a silver snake, it's going to represent that self-righteousness, a domineering spirit, almost like similar to a narcissist. They'll have those kind of characteristics and traits. So if you are someone who is influenced or who are in a relationship with someone who is narcissistic, and these kind of, you're having dreams about snakes, those are lies, deceptions that you're believing or coming in agreement with that needs to be addressed, specifically tied to maybe what that person or people have said, spoken, or imparted in your life. So anyhow, that's typically what the colors of different snakes mean in a dream. I hope that was helpful. If you have any, questions, I'll leave some videos to go deeper in detail with the different colors, so you can check those out. Anyhow, I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, be healed, be whole, be free. Bye.